Hi guys, Ollie here from Ollie's Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing the Bluetooth wireless keyboard sent to me by Sztrokia. Okay, so here's the keyboard. It retails at about £20 I think, something like that. Well, the company Sztrokia, they've sent me a previous product before, the travel charger. They're a really good company. They've also just sent me a keyboard as well. And it's a brilliant keyboard. That's the size, right there on the back. So there's the size. A few pictures here. Shows you how you can use it with your tablet. Some more there. The battery life. Built-in battery lasts up to 60 days, which is really good. And also a touchpad, which is on the front of the keyboard. So you can actually move it around, and there's a mouse that pops up on your phone or tablet. And it's lightweight aluminium construction. Also keys well defined pressure points. I guess the keys are just really nice on it. There's a compatibility, which is basically works on any smartphone, but the best thing to do is not to use an Apple product for this, because you can't really do as much with it. Like, you can't use the touchpad or anything like that. And it doesn't come up with a mouse, but it does on any of these ones. I think that's why it says there's no iPhone on there, but it'll still work with iPhone. But I wouldn't go paying £20 for like something that won't really work that well on your phone. And as you can see at the front, for Android and Windows tablets and smartphones, and just some more pictures and the keyboard itself there. Okay, let's get right into this. Okay guys, so when you open the package, you'll see that it comes with the charger cable, which is just a USB to micro USB thing, I think it's called. Just a standard charger. And as you can see, the packaging's a bit ripped up because I have used this before on my iPhone 5 and it works okay, but my friend's also used it on his Samsung S3 or Galaxy S3, whatever they're called, and it's been a lot better on that because, as I said, it comes up with a mouse and all the buttons function better. Anyway, here's the instruction manual, everything you need to know about it, how to work it. Put that aside. We'll get onto the keyboard. It's actually really nice, very thin, just lightweight, an aluminium back to it. It feels really nice and smooth. And on the front here, we've got all the standard keys for a keyboard and all that. And here's the touch sensor mouse pad with the scroll, which is really nice and it's easy to use. As you can see, top bit here, we have A for capitals and the Bluetooth sign, so it shows you like the light for connecting it and all that stuff, and also the battery life, and then the connect button here, so you press that to connect it for it to like find the device, and then the on and off switch, which is here. Okay, so that's the keyboard. It's actually quite a reasonable size, good for like taking places. You want to use it for traveling and all that. Also, on the right side of the keyboard is the charger socket, and you've got your play button, play and pause button, skip, brightness. This all works brilliantly on an Android or Windows. Search, this works okay, everything just works perfect. Brilliant keyboard for the price. I highly recommend it to anyone that is like kind of like has a job, like a business type person, and they need to like always send mails and all that and just message people, or just someone who just like socializes a lot. It's brilliant to have. The only disadvantage I would say about this one is really that like it's not really that much grip at the bottom, so it can slide around a bit on slippery surface. I mean, they should have provided some like grips or something. Also like a little like pull out stand, so you can actually like have it like up a little bit like that, so it's not just flat, because some people like to type with it up. Well, that's about it really. Thanks for watching the review, and it is in a different place. As you can see, it's in my room and not in the front room as the usual. But yeah, please give it a like and comment, subscribe. there'll also be a giveaway with this product as well, and another product which I'll be reviewing in my next video. And then once I've reviewed the other one as well, I'll be doing the actual giveaway. So be on the lookout for that, as I always say. And yeah, there'll be a link in the description to go to Amazon and check it out. If you're looking for one, buy it. It's brilliant. And that's about it, really. Thanks again for watching, and bye.